Hey guys, Dalen from MAPerformance here today, and we got a couple Honda Civic 10 product updates for you that kind of been stuff that's been in the works for a long time, been in the works for also a long time, but really we didn't talk about it, nobody knew we were working on it at all. So first we have our Coolant Hose Kit. It sounds kind of boring, sounds not very exciting, but what's nice about this kit is that on the Civic 10, there are 3 hoses. All of the current hose kits on the market that we had looked into when starting this only replaced 2 of them, the 2 major ones you could see, but there was a 3rd hose that got left as rubber. Once again, doesn't sound super exciting, but it helps reduce some underhood temps, gives you a little bit of style flair under the hood. Overall, kind of a cool kit, comes with the 3 hoses, all the clamps needed to install. Once again, nothing super crazy, but a nice little update to the car. Main thing we want to talk about right here is our oil cooler kit. This has been something we've been teasing to the market for honestly what feels like about a year now. This is something that was kind of developed out of necessity for us. Not only do these motors run fairly warm, but also capacity. They just don't hold a lot of oil. Oil cooler is a great way to get more oil in the system. The centerpiece to this entire equation is this billet adapter right here. This is something that is designed, machined all right here in-house in our Cottage Grove, Minnesota facility. Once again, what makes this special? So, ground clearance. If you were to stick a normal sandwich plate on, it would stick your oil filter down as one of the lowest parts of your vehicle. Bad, not good at all. So what did we want to do? We wanted to make something that kicked it down and straightened out a little bit. So it's going to keep that ground clearance and tuck that filter up nice and high. This is a high quality aluminum. It's machined right here in-house. Easy bolt on, no modifications needed. It's actually a very unique piece. It's all O-ring sealed, all nice stainless hardware. O-ring fittings for every single one of the fittings on it. OEM style oil filter housing, keeps an OEM filter on there. We use like the K&N HP 1010 is the filter that we use on it. But overall, it's a very unique piece. It's unlike something we've seen before, and it really got the job done for us. The team in-house really nailed it. Next thing we are going to talk about is these stainless rods we have right here. Now, once again, they don't look exciting. They don't look like anything that you would freak out about when you see come in a package, but what makes them really unique is that these rods are designed to bolt directly onto the car with no modifications needed. So hand bent, stainless TIG welded all, once again, right here in-house Cottage Grove, Minnesota facility. High quality materials, you don't have to worry about it corroding, you don't have to worry about it rusting, it's not gonna fall apart on you. This is gonna last the life of your car. Now, talking about installing it, once again, you have 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, 4 bolt. All OEM bolting locations, you just take them out. This will all be bolted together as per our instructions that you find on our website if you need them. And this just bolts right on. You don't have to drill any holes, you don't have to modify it, you don't have to do anything that isn't taking some nuts and bolts off your car, which that was our goal. We wanted something you can install in your driveway, nice and easy. No crazy tools needed, no marking and drilling and modifying and getting all crazy with it. You just bolt it on. As you can see here, we have the lines, full bag of fittings. So this is fittings and hardware. All the hardware is included, fittings are included. Everything comes with it. It's got some nice cushion clamps. Tuck those lines up nice and high and keep them tucked along the bottom of the oil cooler. All the fittings, lines, everything's already pre-assembled, comes in the kit. Cetrab core. Cetrab is probably one of, if not the top core maker in the industry. We put the biggest core that we can possibly fit in there, once again, just to add capacity to the system. More capacity, more cooling, longer oil life. Kind of the trifecta of wonderfulness for every oil cooler kit. Overall, once again, we went for an easy install. We wanted to tuck that filter up high, and we wanted it to be a sufficient cooling system. We have multiple cars. Recently, people have been seeing the BM spec Circuit Heart 2 car out on Button Willow. He runs our oil cooler kit with great success. Overall, we've been very happy with it. It's something we've used in our own car for about a year, multiple testers' car for about that same time, and it's always worked very well for us. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching our video today. Obviously, we're talking about our oil cooler, talking about our coolant hoses for the 10th Gen Civic. If you are on the hunt for any other parts, whether it's our own or other companies, be sure to check out our website. We have a lot of products, and we're constantly adding more. If there's something you can't find or you have any questions for us, 1-888-MA-Performance. Give us a call. I got a team of people. I know I say it every video. They're just waiting here. All they do is talk to you. It's the only reason we have them here. They want to talk to you. They want to talk to you more. They want to talk to you all the time. They want to talk to you about everything, mainly car parts though. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Let us know what you want to hear about more. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever, all the other stuff that people do. I don't know, we're gonna put like a little thing that you can press. Maybe it's not, maybe it's gonna make me look funny as I stand here. But let us know what you want to hear about. Kind of keep you updated with what we're doing with the project. Hopefully have some more exciting things going on with this thing behind me soon. I know it's been kind of absent for a little bit, but we'll get back on it. We've been working on some fun other things around the shop. So thank you very much, guys.